D block elements. The general electronic configuration of D block elements is n-1, D 1 to 10, ns 1 to 2. The groups which D block elements belongs to is 3 to 12. Formation of colored ions is possible when the compounds contain unpaired electrons. Which of the following pairs have almost equal atomic radiant? Zirconium and hafnium. Zirconium, it is in 5th period. Hafnium, it is in 6th period. Elements having same atomic radii in the 3D series. இதில் எதுக்கு வந்து same atomic radius இருக்கு? Given elements, following elements எதுக்கு same atomic radius இருக்குன்னு பார்த்தோம்னா manganese, iron, cobalt. இதுக்கு almost same atomic radii இருக்கும். D block elements form colored ions because they absorb some energy for DD transition. அது ஏன் colored ions form ஆகுதுன்னா DD transitionகாக அது கொஞ்சம் எனர்ஜியை absorb பண்ணிக்கும். The D block metal ions having which one of the following electronic configuration are colorless? So நம்ம என்ன பார்த்திருக்கோம்? Colored ions எப்போ possible? Only unpaired electrons இருந்தா மட்டும்தான் colored ions possible. So இதுல colored ions எங்க possible? அதுக்கு என்ன electronic configuration இருக்குன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. 4 options they had given. D0, D10, D5, D10, D10, D1, D0, D5. இந்த பேர்ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா எல்லாத்துலயுமே ஒரு unpaired electron இருக்கு. பட் D0, D10 இதுல பாத்தீங்கன்னா unpaired electron கிடையாது. ஸோ அப்போ இதில் கலர்டு அயான்ஸ் வரதுக்கு வாய்ப்பு இல்லை. The D block metal ions having which one of the following electronic configuration are colorless? That is D0 and D10. Which one of the following metal ions are green in color? என்ன metal ions green in color பார்த்தோம்னா V3+, Fe2+, Na2+. These are green in color. CO2+ will be pink in color. Zn2+ is colorless. Zn2+, Cu+, Se3+ இதெல்லாம் வந்து colorless. CO2+ pink color, V3+, Fe2+, Na2+ இதெல்லாம் வந்து green colored ion. ஏன் Se3+, Zn2+, Cu+ இதெல்லாம் வந்து colorless அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம்னா இதெல்லாம் வந்து vacant d orbital கிடையாது. Zinc, cadmium and mercury does not form any colored compounds because of the completely filled d orbital. Transition element with the lowest atomic number is scandium 21. Which transition element show highest oxidation state? Osmium. Most of the elements of D block are metals. The catalytic activity of transition metals is due to formation of variety of oxidation states, formation of intermediate products with various reactants, the capability of forming interstitial compounds. எல்லாமே reason தான். Catalyst used for the manufacture of ammonia is iron. In the manufacture of polythene, the catalyst used is TaCl4, titanium tetrachloride. Metals exhibiting +7 oxidation state in the 3D series is Mn, manganese. Metal carbonyls, the oxidation state of metal is 0. Which one of the following with respect to the transition element is true? Transition element பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் என்ன ட்ரூன்னு கேட்டோம்னா elements with the lower oxidation states form ionic bonds. Elements with higher oxidation states form covalent bonds. Elements with maximum oxidation state occur near the middle of the series. So இது எல்லாமே ட்ரூ தான். அதாவது எதுக்கெல்லாம் வந்து oxidation state ரொம்ப லோவா இருக்கோ அது ionic bond ஃபார்ம் பண்ணும். எதுக்கு அதிகமான oxidation state இருக்கோ அது covalent bond ஃபார்ம் பண்ணும். maximum oxidation state வந்து எப்பவுமே நடுவுல தான் இருக்கும். These all things are true with respect to D block elements. Elements exhibiting +8 oxidation state are Ru and OS, ruthenium and osmium. Elements exhibiting +8 oxidation state are ruthenium and osmium. Ruthenium atomic number 44, osmium atomic number 76. இது ரெண்டுத்துக்கும் +8 oxidation state இருக்கு. For a transition metal ion, the effective magnetic moment Bm is calculated by using the formula root of n into n+2. The number of unpaired electrons in Fe3+ ion is 5. Paramagnetism is a property of unpaired electrons. The highest magnetic moment is shown by the transition metal ion with the outer electronic configuration 3d5. Highly magnetic substances as compared to ordinary metals are called ferromagnetic. Highly magnetic substances as compared to ordinary metals are called ferromagnetic. Paramagnetism, that is a property of unpaired electron, is common in D block elements. அதனால தான் D blockல mostly colored ions இருக்கும். The reason for complex formation in D block elements is small size, high positive charge density, presence of vacant d orbitals. மூணுமே ரீசன் தான். ஏன் வந்து D block elementsல உள்ள elements அதாவது transition elementsலாம் காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ் ஃபார்ம் ஆகுது அப்படின்னா இதான் ரீசன். அது சைஸ் ரொம்ப சின்னதா இருக்கும். appreciably ஸ்மாலா இருக்கும். high positive charge density இருக்கும். vacant d orbitals இருக்கும். அதனால தான் இது காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ் ஃபார்ம் ஆகுது. Transition metals form alloys with each other. அது ஏன்? The same reason கூட நம்ம சொல்லலாம். Similar in size, one metal can easily take up the position of another metal in the crystal lattice, presence of vacant d orbital. These are the reasons why they form alloy with each other. Size வந்து more or less ஒரே மாதிரியா இருக்கும். crystal latticeல ஒரு மெட்டலோட பொசிஷன் இன்னொரு மெட்டல் வந்து ஈஸியா எடுத்துக்கும். அதுல vacant d orbital இருக்கு. So these are the reasons that why they form alloy. Transition metals form alloys with each other because of these reasons. Pick out the correct statement in respect of d block elements. They are all metals. They show variable valency. They form colored ions and complex salts. எல்லாமே கரெக்ட் தான். எல்லாமே metals mostly. They are all metals. They show variable valency. They form colored ions and complex salts. The outermost electronic configuration of copper atom. So copper na you have to remember the atomic number of copper. What is atomic number of copper? The atomic number is 29. Atomic number 29. So it lies in fourth period. So we have to write the electronic configuration like this. Third period la enna irukku? Argon irukku. So argon வந்து 18. AR 18 எடுத்துட்டோம்னா இது 29. So 29 minus 18. So 11. So we have to start from argon 18. It is in fourth period. So we have to start from 4s2. 4s2 3d10. Actually we are having only 11 electrons in our hand. அப்ப 3d தான் first fill ஆகும். அப்ப 3d10 fill ஆயிடும் and then 4s1. So the electronic configuration for copper is AR18 3d10 4s1. AR18 na you know that it is in the fourth period. Its atomic number is 29. So fourth period la irukradanaala we are taking the nearest stable electronic configuration. adukku nearest stable electronic configuration பார்த்தோம்னா third period la argon is 18. So atomic number of copper is 29. So 29 minus 18 அதை எடுத்துறோம். So பாக்கி 11 இருக்கு. So argon 18 போயிட்டு பாக்கி 11 இருக்குறதுனால so it is in fourth ன்றனால 3d10 first 3d orbital first fill ஆகும். So பாக்கி 11 இருக்கு. 3d10 போட்டுறோம். பாக்கி remaining 1 இருக்கு கையில, that is in 4s1. So the right electronic configuration, that is outermost electronic configuration for copper atom is 3d10 4s1. The chief ore of copper is copper pyrite. The ore is concentrated by froth flotation process. The slag formed in the extraction of copper is FeSiO3. The purity of blister copper is 98%. Which of the following compounds will not give positive chromium chloride test? C6H5Cl benzyl chloride. இது மட்டும் வந்து chromium chloride test பாசிட்டிவா கொடுக்காது. ஏன்னா phenyl chloride வந்து தனியா chlorine ions கொடுக்காது. அதனால அது chromium chloride test ஆன்சர் பண்ணாது. Which of the following ions will give colorless aqueous solution? Cu+. ஏன்னா Cu+ னா என்ன? காப்பரோட அட்டாமிக் நம்பர் நமக்கு தெரியும் 29. அதோட எலக்ட்ரானிக் கான்ஃபிகரேஷன் 3d10 4s1 ன்றது பார்த்தோம். அப்ப 3d10 4s1 னா Cu+ னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? அந்த 4s1 ல உள்ள ஒரு எலக்ட்ரானை கொடுத்துச்சுன்னு அர்த்தம். அப்ப Ar 3d10 அதுல அன்பேர்ட் எலக்ட்ரான் கிடையாது, எல்லாமே பேர்டு. அதனால it gives colorless aqueous solution. The chemical composition of slag formed during the smelting process of extraction of copper இப்பதான் பார்த்தோம் FeSiO3. The components of brass, copper, zinc, Susan. Brass na Susan ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்க வேண்டியதான். Susan, copper, zinc. The formula for chromate ore, FeOCr2O3. The electronic configuration of chromium. Just now we have seen the electronic configuration of copper, electronic configuration of chromium. Chromium அதோட atomic number 24. So it lies in the same period of copper, that is in the fourth period. So அப்ப அதுக்கு electronic configuration we have to take the nearest stable electronic configuration of noble gas, that is argon 18. So 24 minus 18 6 electrons இருக்கும். So as usual நம்ம fill பண்ணும்போது 3d5 4s1. This is the electronic configuration of chromium. ஏன் 3d6 4s0 னு போடக்கூடாதா? ஏன் 3d5 4s1 னு போடணும் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம்னா because d orbital it can accommodate 10 electrons. So இதுல half filled இருக்கிறதுனால 1 electron can go to the s orbital. So அதனால it is 3d5 4s1. So the outermost electronic configuration of chromium is 3d5 4s1. The outermost electronic configuration of copper is 3d10 4s1. The formula for sodium chromate is Na2Cr2O4. The role of aluminum in aluminothermic process is reducing agent. The chromate ore is concentrated by gravity separation process. The anode used in chrome plating is lead Pb. Before chrome plating, articles are to be plated with nickel. The alloy for chromium, the alloy of chromium used in armor plates is chrome nickel steel. Alloy stellite contains chromium, cobalt, nickel and carbon. Croconesi, stellite, croconesi, chromium, cobalt, nickel, carbon. Stellite, chromium, cobalt, nickel, carbon. The ignition mixture used in aluminothermic process is BaO2 plus magnesium powder. The chief ore of zinc is zinc blende. Philosopher wool is ZnO. The metal used used for galvanizing iron sheets is zinc. Excess of sodium hydroxide reacts with the zinc to form Na2ZnO2. A metal reacts with alkali is zinc. The percentage of copper in 18 karat gold is 25. The chief ore of silver is argentite, a metal which precipitates silver from its cyanide complex is zinc. The electrolyte used in the electrolytic refining of silver is AgNO3 plus HNO3. Spitting of silver can be prevented by covering the molten metal with a layer of charcoal. Silver contains Ag and Cu. The silver salt used in photography is AgBr, silver bromide. Amalgam of which one of the following metal is used in dental filling? Ag, silver. The second transition series start from yttrium. Why? The most malleable and ductile of all metals is gold. Aqua regia is 3 parts of con HCl plus 1 part of con HNO3. 3:1 HCl is to HNO3. A powerful oxidizing agent is potassium dichromate, K2Cr2O7, and it is used in the chromyl chloride test. Pick out the wrong statement regarding potassium dichromate. It is a powerful oxidizing agent. It is used in tanning industry. It is soluble in water. It reduces ferric sulfate to ferrous sulfate. The last one is wrong. It does not reduce ferric sulfate into ferrous sulfate because it is a powerful oxidizing agent. Sodium thiosulfate is used in photography because of its complexing behavior. Blue vitriol is copper sulfate pentahydrate, CuSO4.5H2O. When excess of NH4OH, ammonium hydroxide, is added to copper sulfate solution, the color of the solution formed is deep blue. Bordeaux mixture is copper sulfate solution mixed with calcium hydroxide. Bordeaux mixture, copper sulfate solution plus calcium hydroxide. Lunar caustic is silver nitrate, AgNO3. Ammoniacal silver nitrate is called tolerance reagent. To identify halide ions, the reagent used is silver nitrate. The compound used in the ointment for skin disease is zinc carbonate. Zinc carbonate on heating decomposes to ZnO, zinc oxide and carbon dioxide at 573 Kelvin. The substance used in making ruby red glass and high class pottery is purple of Cassius. The 4D series ends with cadmium. The incomplete transition series is 6D. D block elements.
Swami Vivekananda, read his paper on Hinduism. Ladies and gentlemen, Swami Vivekananda.
He taught that a man ought to live in this world like a lotus leaf, which grows in water, but is never moistened by water. So, a man ought to live in the world, his heart to God, and his hands to work. It is good to love God for hope of reward in this or the next world, but it is better to love God for love's sake. And the prayer goes, Lord, I do not want wealth, nor children, nor learning. If it be thy will, I shall go from birth to birth. But grant me this, that I may love thee without the hope of reward. Love unselfishly for love's sake.